Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Muhammad Sakhawi bin Musa. Nombor kad matrik saya 09 DBM20023 1028.
Saya Akmal Hafiz Hazani bin Yusri, nombor kad matrik 09 DBM20023 1030.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Raja Muhammad Nazim bin Raja Hussein and my number matric is 09 DMB22F1034.
My name is Muhammad Aiman Hakim bin Rusli. My number matric is 09 DMB22F1040.
And today we are going to present about application of integration. What is integration? Integration is the process of finding the area of the region under the curve. This is done by drawing as many small rectangles covering up the area and summing up the area. The sum approach a limit that is equal to the region under the curve of a fraction. Integration is the process of finding the antidivide of a fraction if a fraction is integrable and if its integral over the domain is finite with the limit specific, then it is the defined integration.
Integration in engineering. In mathematics, an integral assigns number to function in a way that can describe displacement, area value, and other concepts that arise by combining infinitesimal data. Integration is one of two main operations of calculus, with its inverse differentiation being the other. Given a function r of a real variable x and an integral a or b of the real line, the definite integral.
For applications of integration are applied in various fields like mathematics, science, engineering. Further, for the calculation of areas or irregular shapes in a two-dimensional space, we use majorly integral formulas.
For the question 1, we got even less information about the region this time. Let's start this off by sketching the triangle. So this is the triangle given. For the solution, 6x squared minus 40 dA plus integration 6x squared minus 40 y dA equals to integration 1 and 0, integration 3 and negative 2x plus 3, 6x squared minus 40y dy dx plus integration 5 and 1, integration 3 and 1 over 2x plus 1 over 2, 6x squared minus 40 dy dx equals to integration 1 and 0 in bracket 6x2 y minus 20y squared negative 2x plus 3 dx integration 5 1 in bracket 6x squared y minus 20y squared 1 over 2x plus 1 over 2x plus 1 over 2 dx equals to integration 1 and 0 12x power of 3 minus 180 plus 20 in bracket 3 minus 2x power of 2 dx plus integration 5 and 1 minus 3x power of 3 plus 15x square minus 180 plus 20 in bracket 1 over 2x plus 1 over 2 power of 2 dx equals to in bracket 3x power of 4 minus 180x minus 10 over 3 in bracket 3 minus 2x power of 3 integration 1 and 0 plus in bracket negative 3 over 4 x power of 4 plus 5x power of 3 minus 180 x plus 40 over 3 in bracket 1 over 2x plus 1 over 2 power of 3. So for the final answer is negative 935 over 3. For the question number 2, we need to determine the two inequalities for x and y that we need to do the integral. The best way to do this is the graph, the two curve. So here is the sketch of the graph. For x, y minus y power of 3 dA is equals to integration 1 over 0 integration square root x x3 for x y minus y power of 3 dy dx equals to integration 1 and 0 in bracket 2 xy square minus 1 over 4 y power of 4 integration power root of x square root of x and x power of 3 dx is equals to integration 1 and 0 7 over 4 x square minus 2x 7 2x power of 7 plus 1 over 4 x power of 12 dx is equals to in bracket 7 over 12 x3 minus 1 over 4 x power of 8 plus 1 over 52 x 13 power of 13 integration 1 and 0. So the final answer for this question is 55 over 156.
The conclusion for integration is a mathematical technique to calculate the area under a curve. There are multiple methods for integration, of which we explore integration by parts in this article. Here we derive its integration by parts formula and also understand its application.
ありがとうございました。